Good day, ma'am. I'm here to explain about gender roles in Asia, African, and Western society. Gender roles refers to the social and cultural expectation of how individuals should behave based on their gender. These roles are often deeply ingrained in societies and influence various aspects of life, including family dynamics, professional careers, and personal identities. While gender roles may differ across the world, they are shaped by historical, economic, and cultural factors. This is a examples that gender roles in Asian, African, and Western societies, exploring how they have evolved, their impact on individuals, and the ongoing challenges to traditional norms. Gender roles in Asian societies. In many Asian societies, traditional gender rules have been heavily influenced by Confucianism, Hinduism, and other religious and cultural practices. Men are often seen as the primary breadwinners and decision makers, while women are expected to fulfill nurturing and domestic roles in countries like Japan, China, and India. These expectations have been in place for centuries. However, the rapid modernization and globalization in recent decades have caused shifts, particularly in urban areas, where women are increasingly pursuing higher education and careers. Still, inequality remains a challenge, with women often facing barriers in leadership positions and the workforce. Gender roles in African societies. In many African cultures, gender roles are also influenced by historical and traditional practices. In some regions, patriarchal structures are prominent, with men holding authority in both family and community matters. Women, on the other hand, often have significant roles in agriculture, household management, and child rearing. However, African societies are not monolithic, and gender roles vary significantly across countries and ethnic groups. Over the years, there has been progress in some African countries such as South Africa, Rwanda, where women have made strides in political representation and business leadership. Despite these challenges, such as early marriage, gender-based violence, and limited access to education, continue to impact women's lives in many regions. Gender roles in Western societies. In Western societies, particularly in Europe and North America, gender roles have evolved considerably over the last century. Traditionally, men were expected to be the main providers, while women are confined to domestic responsibilities. However, the feminist movements of the 20th century brought about significant changes, challenging traditional gender roles and advocating for women's rights to education, employment, and political participation. Today, Western societies tend to promote more egalitarian views, with both men and women actively participating in the workforce and household duties. Nevertheless, gender pay gaps, underrepresentation of women in leaderships, rules, and issues like gender stereotypes still persist. Lastly, gender roles are powerful force shaping societal expectation and individual experiences. While Asian, African, and Western societies all have distinct cultural practices and historical backgrounds, they share a common thread of involving gender norms. In many parts of the world, traditional gender roles are being challenged and transformed, with a growing emphasis on equality and individual choice. However, significant challenges remain in all societies, and it crucial for ongoing efforts to address gender inequalities and promote gender justice on a global scale. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.